maai meragwo ni muoyo na nikio aikari a kaunti-ino hamwe na thirikari maunaniire njung'wa niguo kurora njira iria mekuhuthira niguo kuhurana na wagi wa maai kaimana ta uria Benson Kisoinet aratariria.
The county government has really gotten some good plans about the policy.
Kuigana na Christopher Eregai uria ni umwe wa ambiki a tabarira ino. Tabarira ino ni iguteithiriria hari urimi na urithia wa mahiu uria gwa kahinda karaya uthiete na mbere na kuhotomio ni wagi wa maai.
I'm happy that today we have had a stakeholders forum to scrutinize the county water policy that has really measured on 3 key areas: water for animals, water for human consumption, and water for crop production.
Aikari a kaunti-ino ni maugite tabarira ino ni guteithiriria hari kurehe uthii wa na mbere na njira nene. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Maina wa Mwangi.